To use PowerShell for Azure SQL Scale-Out, you need to start by installing the Azure PowerShell module. This module provides a set of CMDlets that allow you to manage Azure resources from the command line. You can install it by running the install module Azure AD command in PowerShell. Once the module is installed, you need to connect to your Azure account by running the Connect as Account command. This will prompt you to enter your Azure credentials and authenticate your session. After you are connected to your Azure account, you can start by retrieving a list of all the Azure SQL databases in your subscription. You can do this by running the Get Azure SQL database command. This command will return a list of all the databases in your subscription along with their current service tier and performance level. To scale out an Azure SQL database, you can use the Set Azure SQL database command. This command allows you to update the service tier and performance level of a database. For example, if you want to scale out a database to the premium tier with 100 DTUs, you can run the Set Azure SQL database command with the addition parameter set to premium and the requested service objective name parameter set to P1. It is also important to monitor the performance of your databases after scaling them out. You can do this by using the Get As Metric command to retrieve metrics such as CPU usage and storage usage. You can also use the Get Azure SQL database usage command to retrieve information about the current usage of your databases. Best practices for using PowerShell to scale out Azure SQL databases include testing your scripts in a non-production environment before running them in production and using source control to track changes to your scripts. You should also make sure to regularly monitor the performance of your databases and adjust their service tier and performance level as needed. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use PowerShell to scale out your Azure SQL databases and improve their performance. This will allow you to provide a better experience for your users and improve the overall reliability and scalability of your application.